Many dyslexic individuals have a very narrative way of remembering what we know, which means that instead of remembering things as isolated facts, we often remember it in the stories or the context or experiences where we first learned them. And one of the examples of that for me in my own life was remembering dates. For example, I can tell you that there was an Olympics in Berlin in 1936 and that World War II happened 3 or 4 years after that. And the reason I can tell you that is not because I learned it in any sort of history classes that I had when I was younger. It's because a few years ago, I listened to the book The Boys in the Boat, which is the story of the US men's Olympic rowing team that was at that Olympics. And that book set a beautiful storied stage for both that Olympics, but also World War II to follow a few years after. And that's the only reason that I can remember when any of those things happened, because I learned them in the context of a story that made it all fit together rather than just trying to remember like when was that Olympics, when was that World War that happened.